Hey y'all, welcome to the channel of the Prince. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy. What y'all think of my seafood boil? I have shrimp in there. I definitely put some eggs in there. I love sausage in my seafood boil. I don't know about a lot of people, but I love sausage in mine. And of course, I got my crab. I didn't do potatoes this time in my boil because I don't. But I'm good with the shrimp, the eggs, the sausage, and the crab. Give me some hearts if y'all think my seafood boil look good. That's my egg getting broke all apart. I like eggs in mine. And I don't use no crab, what they call it, like they use to break up the crabs. I just do it myself. I use my fork to break up the crabs. That's some real juice, dude. Look at that seasoning though. Don't that look good? Y'all see that? It is well seasoned. I actually got this boil from Publix. I'm about to break in. I had them season it with lemon pepper and Cajun seasoning. Don't it look good, y'all? I don't use no cracker or nothing like that. I just use my fork. You take the end of that fork and you go up like this. And you tear that crab up. That's how my parents used to do it. So that's what I do. Look at this meat though. Oh crap. Look at this meat though, y'all. I got this from Publix. Now this sauce I made myself. I just made it too. Let me show y'all the sauce. Give me some hearts if it look good. I guess I gotta stir it up. I like my sauce to be more than just butter, if y'all know what I mean. So I put a lot of seasoning in mine, and I put some onion, and I definitely put garlic in my butter sauce also. I don't like just butter. I did that, didn't I? I did real good. I need y'all to be following me though, so I can go live more and eat. Oh, look at this one. This is about to be bomb. You know what I never understood though? Somebody, what is this right here? Is it like a muscle or a tendon? What do they call that? I don't know. But it looked good. But I never eat it. Now watch me tear into this claw. Most people give up, but watch me get right into their claw. Y'all see? Now let me show you. I literally take this fork and I go right up in there like this, and I break this up. Most people can't even break up that cloth. But y'all see how I just did that? That cloth? Let's see what's up in this cloth. How much meat is up in here? Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot of meat up in that cloth. Y'all see that? Put it in my sauce. Now, I don't use no gloves when I do boils, because I like to lick my fingers. So I don't feel like licking on my plastic. Y'all know what's crazy? I ain't even get no bowl to put my stuff in. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I got my bowl. I don't know what I was thinking. Can y'all see that good? Welcome to my live. I got my little seafood boil going on. Can y'all see that? I got my sauce. I made the sauce myself. Y'all see? Y'all see my sauce? I did this myself. Y'all think that look good? Give me some hearts if that look good. I did real good on that sauce. And it's fire too. I don't really like a spicy sauce. But I be hating these little ones like that be hard to get into. Okay. That one was a little hard to bite into, break, but now I can. I can take my fork and just do this. Get up in there and get that meat out. Y'all see that juice? Ooh, the gold. Y'all see? Y'all tell me where y'all from. I'm in Atlanta. I got my shrimp, well seasoned. See, look y'all, this is all the stuff I got in my sauce. I made sure I put a ton of garlic in there. Gotta have that egg. And let that soak up in there. Do y'all put eggs in y'all seafood boil? Whenever it's hard for me to crack, I might have to bite it a little bit. But watch out for this. Watch your teeth though. Y'all see that? Y'all see my crab? I got 2 of these up in here. Now I be, oh, I didn't think that little one's going to have much in there. It's a good piece right here. Somebody tell me in the comments, what the heck is this right here, please? Because I never, never knew. Somebody please solve that for me today. Please. Can y'all see my sauce that I did? It look good, right? Sometimes I take the end of this fork and I kind of scoop it up out of there if I can't break it. Y'all see my seafood boil? And I dip it in my butter sauce. Y'all see how I do my butter sauce and all the stuff I put in there? Y'all see that? I make sure I put seasonings in mine. Y'all see my egg? I hope it's gonna give me hot cholesterol. I have wear gloves when I do seafood boil because I like to lick my fingers. And I don't want to be looking on my gloves. Right? Like a food. Let's see what's on the bottom. Time for another one. Somebody give me some hearts for that. I did good there. I did real good pulling that out. There ain't nothing imitation over here. Although I'm not knocking the imitation. It serves its purpose better. I forgot to tell y'all. I got my little apple juice right here. Apple juice, for some reason, helps me digest my food, so. Got me another egg. Put it down in my sauce. I'm gonna let this soak up in there. Hey, Uncle Thaddeus. You see my seafood boil I made? So I bought it steamed from Publix. Just the crab and the shrimp. But the sauce is totally new. You see my sauce? I put onions, garlic, a bunch of seasonings in there. Watch me devour this. Did y'all know it be meat up in this part, right up in here? Now, this piece right here, watch me get a long piece of crab out of that. Watch this. Y'all see that? Somebody give me some hearts. Because I did good on that. Now I'm put it down in my sauce. Delicious. I've been tearing these crabs up. Shrimp, y'all see? I think the best part is always the sauce for me. Thank you. Thank you so much for my rolls. Thank you. That has made my night. Thank you so much for that. You know, I actually was just following my heart. I got on TikTok because I wanted to do live because I wanted to eat. I don't know why I love mukbangs, but I just wanted to eat. But you just made my night. Thank you so much. Okay. think I done developed a little art with breaking these crabs up and getting them beautiful. Thank you for another rose. Boy, I'm on a roll tonight. Thank you. And is that a dolphin too? Thank you. I really appreciate that. I swear I appreciate that. That means everything to me. That gives me the courage to keep going and to do more mukbangs because we like to see people eat. I do. So what you just sent me, the dolphin and those roses, that's gonna keep me going. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. You have a good night too. Thank you. To everybody joining me, thank y'all so much. I did a seafood boil tonight. I had crab, some shrimp, as you can see. I put sausage in mine. I love it. And I made, and eggs. And I made my sauce, my butter sauce. I literally just made that butter sauce. In my butter sauce, I put onions. I chopped some onions up, garlic, a bunch of seasonings, a little chicken broth, and I cook it slow for a few minutes, not long. This is strong. Ooh. Welcome on to my live, y'all. My egg breaking all up. Welcome on. Y'all give me some hearts. Let me show y'all my seafood, my little butt. I didn't ate most of it now, of course, but I did real good. Just looking at this though, don't it look good and hearty? Okay, time for that claw again. Time for that claw. Watch me tear this up. Specifically the claw part, because a lot of people it'll be hard for them to get into it. But watch this. Watch me get into this claw with no problem. I literally take my little fork and I tear that thing up. See? And I tear that claw up. Y'all see that? Now look at this meat. Look at all this meat that's up in here. As a kid, we used to kind of just throw them to the side after we was done playing with them, but y'all see that? Look at this, y'all. Y'all see all that meat? All that meat that's in that claw. All of that meat. I cleaned that. I did real good there. Ooh, this is a tough part, but let me. Ooh. I didn't need no nutcracker. Y'all see that meat that's up in there? I'm greedy. I like to get all the meat up out of there. Now it's clean. I've eaten a lot of this tonight. See, I don't know that seasoning, but hey, darling. Welcome home to my live. I'm almost done with my seafood boil and my butter sauce. Got one more to go. Y'all think I can make it through the rest of this? I done got full. I'm stuffed. This is difficult. A little smaller. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I probably got juice all over the damn table. Okay, now watch me get this meat up out of here, out of all of this. Watch this. Y'all see that? See right through it. Welcome on, Starseed. I am also a part of the Cosmo. I'm just eating crab tonight. I'm full. Almost done with my seafood oil. Hey Troy, welcome on. I have gotten full. Hey Timothy, welcome on. Y'all see, I know what I'm doing. My butter is getting cold. It is so funny to watch people come and go from the live because I'm sure like the moment you log on or you join, you see somebody sit here slurping and eating. I'm sure your response is like, oh, You know why? Because I do the same thing. I'm like, oh, and I scroll to the next person. I'm giving up on this. Okay. All right. I am down to the final. I am down to the final claw. Out of all of this, time for the final claw. This one is difficult. You know what I'm gonna do? Use my fork. Tear that sucker up. Is that my pop right here? Sometimes you gotta break, tear it up a little bit in order to really be successful at it. See? And it opened right up. how I tore that claw up with no problem? Look at all that meat. Y'all see that? Well, that is all my food. I'm gonna see y'all next time.